Okay, this time, instead of just drawing boxes, we're going to actually write our name. So, a couple of parallel lines at the top, a couple of parallel lines, and all we're going to do, now I'll just do the letters of the alphabet to start with, and what we're looking for is really square type letters. So, the A, make everything very square, straight lines. So there's your A, and then leave a little gap, and then bring it across and have it down, and if you can, try and make everything very angular because it looks a little bit better. Okay, so the C, and the D, straight across, a wee line down, line like that. And you can see how I'm starting to form the letters. So you can do it lightly to start with, and then line these in, or you can go straight for it like I'm doing. But do leave just a little gap in between the letters. Now I'm going to keep going along there in a second. Now, what you want to do is just below that line there, put a secondary line in about that far apart. Now, take every corner back to the vanishing point lightly, along the bottom to start with, just the bottom to start with. Now, as we go along, you can see I'm just taking just the bottom ones. Now, I'll come back and finish off the rest of them, but just watch this. So, we'll take that solid one all the way down to there and make a solid line there and back like that, and you can see that the letters are beginning to form into 3 dimensions. Alright, now, there is a tricky bit to this, because the depth of the letter is that far apart. So you've got to imagine that if you're going to bring all these back, it is that far. Now, some of it's pretty easy, but see that corner there, that change of surface is just a little line there, and that one there is just a little line there. Now that makes a big difference. But then you say to yourself, well, there's a change of surface there. Now I don't want to line it totally in just yet, because if it's that thick, then yeah, it'll be that far away. So I can maybe just line that into there. But see this point here? Now that angle there is to that point, then that angle is the same, that angle there. That angle there is that little one there. And you see how that makes a difference to the making the A 3-dimensional. Now, it comes to there and then it moves up at that angle, then change that to there. And you're matching it. Then it goes vertically up, then it goes vertically up. There's the top of the B, bring that down there, and bring that down there. And you can see that you're forming the letters, like that. How do you do the rest of them? Well, we'll take that one down, we'll take that one down, we'll take that one down, we'll take the C down. Now, how does that work? This here goes vertically, so it must go vertically from that one there as well. So you can see I can just pull that down, like that, like that, and like that. And you can see how it's starting to form. This one, there's the angle there, so just move it down. See how you move the angle down like that with your straight edge? Now it's starting to turn. There's the top of the E, like that. Now there's the depth of it. That has to go up vertically, so there's a vertical line there, and then take that back to there. Finish off the D there. Now the E, just take that one, and take that one down, and you can see it's been brought back. The F, bring that one back, and if that one goes vertical there, so off there it has to go vertical. So there you've got it. Then bring that one down, that one down, that one down. So there it is, there and there. Now I'm going to keep going, and I'm also going to put the rest of the alphabet along the bottom here, just to show you. But I won't bore you with the rest of it. I'll just come back when I've done it. Okay? So we're back. So I've got the bottom line, and I've got the line keeping it away from it to make it three-dimensional. I've went along the top now. It's the difficult part, is to try and form the letters. So when we start here, it goes along. Now it goes straight down there, so we'll match it going straight down there. And again, we need this one to go all the way over as well. Now, the J, that's straight across and straight across. So there's the top of the J. Now, there we can go straight across into that one, and that goes straight down. So you can see how we've formed that. Now that goes straight down, but as it curves, just as it just touches that one, I'll just pull that up there as well. And you can see that that there is the side of the J. Now, the K is up here, so it has to come straight down because it comes straight down this way. But the K from here goes at an angle. So that angle there, if we take that to the vanishing point, but then it goes at that angle. Now, it's maybe behind the L there, so we'll have this one, that has to come down at that angle. So it's going to hit it about there. So, yep, it's going to come all the way up there. That's it there. Alright, so that has to, when it comes down to here, it has to come at that angle. So it's probably about there. So you can see how the K forms like that. Okay, there it is there. Now the L, now that's coming straight down, so that has to come straight down. But that point, if that leads you to the vanishing point there, then where it hits it, there and there, if you have a look at that, then that one going up there, then if that one's going that way, then where it hits it here has to go there. So there's your L. Yeah. And if you were to try and get that one in, yep, you're just about getting that as well. So there's the bottom part of it there. So you can see how it formed the L. The M, that angle there, so that angle must be going to that angle. Take that up there, and then that angle. So see how I've got the top of that? I think that one's in line. So they're all in line. Oh, that one maybe just squeeze that one in. That one is going that way. So that one is going vertically down, and you can see there. That one's going vertically down there, so it has to go vertically down. There, can you see that? Not really. That one there, there's the point there, so it goes vertically down again. There it is here, going up to the vanishing point. There. That one going to the vanishing point. The P, that one's going to the vanishing point. That one there, and then lastly that one has to go straight down. So you can see how I've formed the whole thing. Now what I'd like you to try and do, instead of doing the alphabet, is do your first and your second name along the top and along the bottom, and try it like that. And then, using what you've already learned from doing rendering and your shadow box, you could try making these bottom parts quite light and the rest of it maybe 3 and 5 to try and have a go at rendering your name as well. Okay, so I'm going to try it myself and show you the finished product. Alright, so instead of drawing boxes, we're now going to try and draw letters on our name in 1 point perspective.